I was having a peach and it suddenly struck to me to make an impromptu video on peaches. But before briefing you up on benefits of peaches, let me introduce myself. I'm Kiran Mahant, your nutritionist and guide. Coming back to peaches, of course they have a wonderful color, but more than that, they have ample of health benefits. To start with, they are loaded with vitamins and minerals. To name a few, vitamin A, C, E and K. Vitamin C, of course, it has got a immunity boosting power. And vitamin C, it firms your collagen as well. So, of course, it gives you a firmer skin, a tighter skin. So, it's now used in cosmetic industries as well. If you talk about vitamin A is good for your eyesight. Minerals, yes, again peaches are loaded with lot of minerals. Zinc, copper, magnesium. So you must have peaches. Vitamins, minerals and hence antioxidants. When you talk about antioxidants, peaches help to eradicate those free radicals that are present in the body. So you reduce the risk of cancer with it. And when you talk about medical issues, you also reduce the risk of heart diseases because it's a heart-friendly fruit. It balances your electrolytes in the body. So it takes care of all those salt present in your body and it lowers your blood pressure. Hence, when you talk about body metabolic rate, peaches are good at increasing the metabolic rate. So your body starts functioning in a better way and start assimilating and absorbing all the nutrients in a better way. When you talk about water content that's present in the peaches, of course it's loaded with water. So that makes you feel fuller for a longer time. In all, if you go to see, peaches have low glycemic index and hence even the diabetic patients can have it. Even the cholesterol patients can have it because there's a lot of dietary fiber that's present in peaches. And if you talk about all the benefits, the bottom line that we can come to is it's a wonderful negative fruit. That means the amount of, it's a fruit that is hard to digest. So the amount of calories or the amount of fat that is burned to digest the small fruit is far by large than the amount of calories that it gives to your body. So of course it's very good and in aiding weight loss. So, if you combine all the benefits, you'll come to a conclusion that peaches should be included in your daily diets. Have a peach or two daily. And to combine them, I just blended a few fruits to make a smoothie out of it. Let's just take a quick recap of how I made a smoothie. So this is how I made this smoothie. I took some peaches, maybe a peach, half a pomegranate, a few dates, maybe 4 to 5, and 3 plums. I just de-seeded them and added to the blender or a mixie and just squeezed out all the juices, added some water to it. You can even add coconut water, or if people prefer, you can add curd to it. Blended everything. We need not add sugar to it. No need of gur. You are avoiding all the empty calories. And the dates are very good at giving you iron, increasing your iron content in the body. Pomegranates and plums are good sources of iron again. So what you are making is a iron rich antioxidant drink, a detoxifying drink. And once the smoothie is ready, I added some maybe a teaspoon of soaked chia seeds to it. Soaked chia seeds are a good source of dietary fiber. So this is my smoothie that I made, and it of course it tasted very, very delicious.